So, sinikini po ha.
Sige, ako sasagot ka. Look down a bit, Arian.
Thank you.
Look here, Arian. Look here.
Wait, Arian, ha? Here, Arian. That's it. Okay.
No, later you'd still watch just like that. Later then you will put it, okay? Hold it, Okay, Arian.
You want this, Machember? Okay.
It's okay.
Look at me. Just little thank you, okay? And then straight your back. Okay. Maybe look down a little. Please don't move too much.
Kung may mahabangan, nalagay ko sa encyclopedia.
Yun lang.
Sakal pa na.
Gusto mo, yung una niya gawin ko na
Parang kang encyclopedia.
Wala nang gumagamit.
picturean mo yung face mo sa Google. Uy, grabe ka. Nung time na ka na yun. Oo, pakasir yung Google News. Sige, mo na tayo. Spike mo na naman. Your hair will be shaggy. Gusto niya tayo may
Gusto niya nagsasalon.
May voucher na kami nito, hindi pa namin nagamit noon. Binigyan kami ng 10 voucher ng may-ari. Yung may-ari, niyo, 1% yung sa Epic. Yung dati yun, nalala mo yung may Pediasure, yung may mga cookie, yung penny, kasan talaga. Kasi nung time na yun, inaalok ko yung Epic na sabi ko bago ko niya i-convert ng salon. So, sabi niya masyado na malapit. Ayan, ayan.
Tapos lagi natin dito. Pagtatagayin natin yung spray.
Gusto mo ikaw magba? Ay, tingnan mo. Ano-ano na, may tendency. Doon ka sa kabila.
Gano'n ang pinilig.
Kasi may istorbo siya, ikaw talaga.
Okay lang po.
Hindi naman sordo.
Gusto niya yan, yan naman. Tinuturo pa niya yung solo.
Huwag mo na ipaalala sa kanya, baka sabi niya magkano yan.
Libre pa naman yan.
Ha?
Libre pa naman yan.
Ha?
Oo.
Manicure na rin yan.
Kung gusto niya, spray lang. Pero
No, pag-gising mo, blue na yung buhok mo.
Susunod yan, manicure
Yan,
na.
tingnan mo yung tangles niya. Dapat nga ganyan kahaba yung buhok niya. Hindi kayo na masyado.
Buhok niya maganda yan, no? Straight na straight. no?
Sino?
Sigaw. Pati skin eh.
Desay.
Bagsak na bagsak. Hindi mo mukha. Hindi mo mukha. Ganun pala siya.
Tanggal yung ano niya.
straight your head, baby.
Palalisin mo ngayon na.
Wow!
Lumabas yung business. Tiyo.
Kanina naliligo kami. Ewan ko, di ko naman sinabi na haircut, no? Sabi niya, Mami, I like hair the same as Ninang Pretty.
Sinabi na, nung isang araw.
Oh?
Oo. Sabi niya,
Parang sinabi ko na, ay, magpapahaircut ka. Hindi pwede na yung face niyo mo magmura. Wow! Pretty! Do you like it? Sweet, ah?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
please straight your face. Like that.
Don't look down. Don't look down.
Straight like that. Like that only, ah. Like that. Don't move. Don't move.
So, pikit-pikit ka.
Don't move. Just watch. Just watch.
Look straight, please. Okay, baby, straight your head, please.
Yung nagpagupit ako't nagpakulay, sinundo ko siya nung kay Jong. Tapos nung pababa na sila dun sa harap, nakita niya yung buko, ano, talikod siya, sabi niya sa Jong, no, Tita Jong, I don't want, Mommy. I want to go back. Tapos niya, sabi niya, Jong, bakit? Why? Sabi niya, I don't want. I want to also haircut. I want to also hair color. Tawa ng tawa si Jong. Ayaw po lumapit sa sakyan. Hindi terang frog yan eh. Di ba nagpagupit si Simon ngayon? Hindi mo kapasi siya doon. Oo, dahil. Ito yun na, dahil. Ganito na. Ah, hindi. Dito, sa leg. May shoulder. Sabi niya daw. Sabi daw niya, sabi niya sa mga ano daw, nagugupit. I want also haircut and hair color. Purple hair.
Sinama niya?
Oh.
Kasama niya ang nagpagupit.
May kasama siya eh. Christy ba yun?
Sinama niya sa iba, nakapagsasabi, gusto niya dito. Sabi ko,
Sobrang hindi.
kasi mama ko.
Labas yung panganin. Ikaw lupit pero mga bata. Pero yung style.
Isa-shampoo ko siya.
Dan, you go to wash your hair, okay? Arian? Wash your hair, okay? Look at mommy. Look at daddy. Nina. Happy?
Daddy look.
Yeah, beautiful.
Ninang does look.
May roll.
Say hi. Look at my hair.
Yeah.
Hi, everybody.
Daddy, it would like nice.
Look nice? May hair plant siya pa nga yun. Sabi ko ko na. May init yun. Paplansahin pa dapat. Sabi ko. May kasama pang nail polish. Kaso washable naman. Huwag nila.
Ganun talaga yan. Pero kasi sobrang tagal yun. Kulang pa nga yan eh. Pakita ko lang.
Mag-healthy ito pag ginisyan pa. Pero okay na rin ito, kumapal-kapal na. Kasi kanina sobrang nipis.
Yung pa yung dati ng buhok niya.
Oo, nung baby pa siya nun eh. Ayan, go down.
Come here, because you're heavy.
Your head.
Kasi kilos yan.
Ang 30, grabe ka.
Let's
Wash your hair, okay?
wash your hair.
Yes.
Auntie will wash her hair. Auntie will wash her hair. Good.
Sit down. Close eyes.
Good. Nice.
Then you look up, baby, look up.
You open your eyes. Look, oh.
Look up, look up, look up. There, oh. Arian, look up. Look up on the. Look up, Arian. Look. Arian, open your eyes. Arian, look there. Oh, what's that? Huh?
It's okay.
Look up there. There, like that.
Shampoo. Nice. Wow.
You like it? Wow, nice. Wow.
It's okay. It's okay.
Up. It's okay.
It's okay.
Takot siya malagyan yung mata niya. It's okay. We will not put in your eyes. It's okay. Like that only, ah. Close your eyes. Just relax. Close eyes.
Maybe Nina will hold your hand. It's okay. Relax.
Look at the ceiling. Look up. Come, look up.
Where's Ninong Dars?
Ninang does there.
Where?
There.
What